Hello students, today I will start chapter number 12 of your reasoning book, exercise number 12.1, that is sitting arrangement. The question number 1 told you from left hand position of second and fourth digits. This digit is given in the question are interchanged. Now position of 3 and 4 are interchanged. Find a number at the third position. These numbers are given in the option. Let's see the solution of the question. The given digit is 246890335. Now students, we will interchange the second and fourth digit. That means second digit is 4 and fourth digit is 8. When we interchange the digits, the value will be 28649038. Now students, we will interchange the third and fourth digit. So 6 and 4 will be interchanged to each other. That means 4 will be placed on the third place and 6 will be placed on the fourth place. So when we count the third position, first, second and third, that means fourth number 4 digit will be obtained. So the answer is 4. Let's see the next question. Find the number on the right of the fifth digit from the left. You can see this digit is given and these are the options. Let's see the solution of the given digits. These are digits which are given in the question. So when we count from the left corner, 1 2 3 4 fifth, so fifth digit is 3 and right of 3 is 9. So the answer of this given question is 9. Let's see the next question. How many even numbers are followed by odd numbers in the given series? This series is given in this question. That means firstly we have to count the all odd numbers. After the odd numbers, the even number is given in the question. That means let's see the solution of this given question. You can see 9, after 9 2 is given, after 3 2 is given, and after 9 4 is given. You can see these are 3 odd numbers which followed the even number. So the answer will be 3 even numbers followed by odd numbers in this series. Let's see the next question. Fernandez's value is 28th from the top in a list of 41 employees. So students, total employees value is 41 and Fernandez value is 28 from the top. So we have to find out his position from the bottom of the list. These are the options which are given in the question. Let's see the solution. When we find out the position from the bottom, that means the total employees value was 41. So we add 1 in the total employee. That means 42 will be the now total employee and it should be subtract from his top position, that is 18. So after subtracting it, its value will be 24. So his position from the bottom list will be 24. Now let's see the next question. Position of Harry from left end is 14th. That of Harriya is 17th from the right end. In between there are 4 people. So find the total number of people in the row. These are the options which are given in the question. The solution of question number 5 is Harry's position from the left hand, that is given in the question, 14. Harya's position from the right hand, that is also given in the question, that is 17. When we find out the total number of people in the row, that is 14 plus 17. 14 is the place value of Harry and 17 is the place value of Harya. After adding them, its value will be 31 plus 4. Plus 4 means the total person are sitting in between them. So the valuation of the question will be 35. That means total number of people in a row is 35. The question number 6 is, in a class of 55 girls, Monica secured 5th position and Vanika secured last position. Vicky is exactly in between Monica and Varnika. Find her position. These are the options which is given in the question. Let's see the solution. So when we find out the position of Vicky, 55 plus 5, that means 55 is the position from the last Varnika and you can see the Varnika's position is last and Monika's position is 5th. So the position of Vicky will be 55 plus 5. That means total number of person will be 60 and it should be divided by 2. That is 30th position. The next question is, these are digits in the given in the question. It will be arranged in the descending order. Then we have to find out the number in the central position, that means in the mid. Let's see the solution. The digit is this. After finding the digit in the descending order, this will be obtained. And when we find out the middle digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means fifth position will be in the central position. I hope now the exercise number 12.1 will be easy for you. Let's see student exercise number 12.2. The question number 1 of this exercise. A class of boys stand in a single line. One boy is 19th in the order from both ends. How many boys are there in the class? The solution of the given question is, when we find out the total boys are in the class, because the position of the boy is given from the starting and end is 19, so we will add 19 plus 19, that is 38, and because it was his position, so we subtract it from 1, so the answer will be 37. Let's see the question number 2. If Atul finds that he is 12th from the right in a line of the boys and 4th from the left, then how many boys should be added to the line such that there are 28 boys in the line? Let's see the solution of the given question. Because Atul is 12th from the right, that is 11 boys to his right, and Atul is 4th from the left, there are 3 boys to the left. So the total number of boys in the line 11 plus 3, that means 14, and 1 is Atul, that means total 15 boys. So the boys to be added, so there are 28 boys in the line. Total boys are 28, and 28 minus 15, it will be 13 boys. Let's see the next question. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students. What is his rank from the last? The solution is, when we find out the rank from the last, the total students were 49, that means 49 plus 1, that is 50, and it should be subtract from his rank, it was 18, so after solution is its value will be 32, so his rank from the last will be 32. The question number 4 is, Rohit is 17th from the left end of a row, 29 boys, and Karan is 17th from the right ends in the same row. How many boys are there between them in a row? The solution of the given question is, Rohit, that means 17 from the left end of the row of 29 boys, and Karan is 17 from the right end of the same row. So the total number of boys between them, 17 plus 17, that is 34. 34 minus 29 minus 2, that means minus 31. 34 minus 31, its value will be 3. So the number of boys in between them is 3. Now let's see student question number 5, that is, N rank 5th in a class. S is 8th from the last. T is 6 after N and just in the middle of N and S. Then how many students are there in the class? Let's see the solution. Rank of S from starting is 17th. So the total students will be rank of from the start and rank from the last. That means rank of S from the starting it is 17 and from the last it is 8, and it should be subtract from the 1. That means the total students of the class will be 24. Let's see the next question. In a row of 40 children, P is 13th from the left and Q is 9th from the right. Then how many children are between P and R if 4th T the left of the Q? Let's see the solution of this given question. As you know that in the question, Q is the 9th from the right end and R is 4th to the right to the left of Q. So R is 13th from the right end. So number of children to the left are is 40 minus 13, that means 27. So R is 28th from the left end and also P is 13th from the left end. So clearly students, there are 14% between R and P. So the children between P and R is 40 minus 13 plus 4 plus 9. That means the answer of the question will be 14. Let's see the next question. Bharti is 8th rank ahead Divya, who ranks 26 in a class of 42. What is Bharti's rank from the last? The solution of this given question is, as you know that Divya's rank is 26 in the class of 42 and Bharti is 8th ranks ahead of her. So Bharti's rank from the top, it will be 26 minus 8, that means 28th rank. And students below to Bharti are 42 minus 18, that means 24 students. So Bharti is from below, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25th rank. So Bharti's rank from the below, it will be 25th rank. Let's see student question number 8. In a class of 60 where girls are twice that of boys, Kamal ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, how many boys after him in a rank? Let's see the solution. Student, we will let the number of boys will be x, then the number of girls will be 2x. That means what will be the equation? X plus 2x, it will be 60. That means 3x equal to 60. That means x value will be 20. So the number of boys will be 20 and the number of girls will be 2 multiply x. That means 2 multiply 20, that is 40. Now students, number of students behind Kamal in rank, that is 60 minus 17, that is 43. And the number of girls ahead of the Kamal in rank, it will be 9. So the number of girls behind Kamal in the rank, 40 minus 9, that is 31. And when we count out the number of boys behind Kamal in the rank, it will be 43 and minus 31. It will be 1 to 12. Let's see the next question. In a row of trees, one tree is fifth from either end of the row. How many trees are there in the row? The solution of this question is, when we find out the number of trees in the row, it will be 4 plus 1 plus 4. That means 4 is the position from both ends and 1 should be added. So the total number of trees in a row, it will be 9. Next question is, in a queue, Sweta is 10th from the front while Atul is 25th from behind and Vinita is just in the middle of the two. If there are 50 persons in the queue, what position does Vinita occupy from the front? Let's see the solution of this question. So the number of persons between Sweta and Atul, it will be 50 minus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is the position of Sweta and Atul. That means 15. Since Vinita lies in the middle of 15%, so Vinita's position is 8th from Sweta. That is 18th from the front. The question number 11 is, Suman ranks 16th from the top and 49 from the bottom in the class. Then how many students are there in the class? So student, finding the number of students in the class, we will add them 15 plus 48, that is 63. And after this we have to add 1. That means the total students of this class will be 64. Let's see the next question. Sanjay ranks 7th from the top and 28th from the bottom in the class. How many students are there in the class? Let's see the solution. There are 6 people above Sanjay in the class and 27 people below from Sanjay. That means the total number of students will be 6 plus 27, that is 33, and 1 should be added in the value. That means total number of students are 34. Let's see the next question. In a row of 54 persons, Sam is 15 from the left side of the row, John is 28 from the right side of the row. Find the number of persons sitting between Sam and John. Let's see the solution of this question. The sum of positions of Sam and John from the opposite ends, it will be 15 plus 20, that is 35, and 35 is less than the total number of persons between Sam and John. So when we find out the total number of persons between Sam and John, it will be total number of students minus position of Sam from left plus position of John from right. That means the number of persons between Sam and John, it will be 54. 54 was the total students minus 15 plus 20. 15 was the position of Sam and 20 was the position of John, and after solving it, its value will be 19. So the total number of persons between Sam and John, it will be 19. Now I hope you are able to complete the exercise number 12.2. Thank you, students.